video, I'm going to show you a really easy and so delicious avocado chocolate mousse. And if you know my channel, my name is Anya and I love sharing our simple heritage homesteading and homemaking journey with a lot of really easy recipes, because what's a recipe if it's too complicated? And this is a really easy recipe. If you're watching this video at the time that I'm publishing it here on YouTube in February 2022, it is the perfect Valentine's dessert, and it is also really healthy because we're using avocado instead of a bunch of flour and fat and butter, which I'm not suggesting is unhealthy, but you get all the goodness from the avocado and all the creaminess. So let me show you that it is really simple. I am using a Vitamix blender. In my experience, that is the best equipment to make this dessert, this mousse, this pudding, because it makes it really super creamy and super silky. If you don't have a high-speed blender like a Vitamix or a Blendtec, you can also use a food processor or a stick blender, but it may not be quite as silky and creamy as with a high-speed blender. Directly into my container from my high-speed blender, I am adding 2 avocados, and I'm using medium size. This is a really beautiful one here, super good, and I'm just gonna scoop out the flesh directly into the Vitamix container here. And here's a little trick how you can get the pit out really easily. You take a knife and very carefully but very determinedly you go like this, and then you can twist the pit around and take it out. Let me show you one more time. Next, I'm adding 1/3 cup of cacao powder, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of milk. This is really good for making the mousse a little glossy and also to make it a little easier to blend up. 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil, and just a little pinch of salt, because I always find that salt brings out the sweetness of any sweet desserts. Simply put on the lid and blend first on slow and then gradually on high until it's super creamy and silky. Here it is, super creamy. I'll show you with a spoon. And totally silky. Now if you taste it, and because your avocado is maybe a little bit bigger than mine, you can always add a little bit more maple syrup. I don't like my desserts too sweet, but you can always add a little bit more. Here's your finished dessert. It's super beautiful with a little raspberry and some mint leaves on top. Totally pops out. And the good thing is that you can't really taste the avocado in here, so it's a really good recipe that is healthy, and it also is good for kids that are a little bit picky, because if they love chocolate, they're gonna love this. Anybody who loves chocolate is gonna love this. Now, if you're looking for another Valentine's idea, I have a chocolate heart recipe up here. And if you're looking for something that is not edible and that is something different, I have a pressed flower Valentine's card tutorial here that you can really easily make at home. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.